How to create a pet care accessories website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to explain to you how you can create your own website for free or online store for free using squarespace.com. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and here we can browse through a variety of templates that are pre-made templates that can help us build our website or online store and will save our time. You can always go and choose this blank template where you can build your website or online store from scratch, but I love to save my time, so I'm just going to work with the templates that already exist in the platform. So here you can filter the templates by the type. You can choose online store, and you can see if there is a topic which is related to animals. So here it is, nature and animals. So let's scroll down to see what are the templates that the website have to offer. So here I'm going to work with this template. Click on preview Weasley, which is the name of the template, and then click on view demo site to see the site in full width. And let's see if this site will fit our requirements. So just from the colors, it's pretty good template. The color everyone's been talking about. So it's also for pets accessories. As you can see, you can just empty these products and add your own products, change the pictures, change the title and the price, and your website or online store will be good to work with. Also, we can change some other things like the footer and obviously the header, logo and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Start with this design and wait for the website to set things up. It will take some seconds and they will request you to give a title for your online store. If you're just making one online store, you can just skip that step, but for me, I'm not making just one online store, so I want to organize my work. I don't want to get mixed between my websites, so I'm going to give it a title depending on the niche name. So I'm going to type my niche, which is pet care accessories, and then click on continue and then close these tabs. I don't need them anymore. Also, you can skip that, the last step, you can skip it, then click on close. So you can see in your left some sections, so I'm going to explain each one of these sections. So I'm going to start with website. It's the place where you can add pages or delete the ones that you already have or adjust the pages. And the next one is commerce, where you can manage your inventory, orders, and if you want to add new products, change the ones that you already have, add discounts and set your payment processors. And if you want to sell with memberships or custom merch, then marketing, which is pretty obvious for setting up your email campaigns and your pixels and stuff like that, which is related to AdSense and getting clients. And then we have the scheduling, which is not for us, it's for the people that are in the meetings business and appointments like psychiatrists, lawyers and agencies. Then we have the asset library, where you can upload your files and images to use later on designing your website. And then we have the analytics, where you can see your chart. You will have your sales, traffic, revenue, geography, and your conversion rate, orders, and all of that stuff. So it's empty for now, we don't have any data obviously. And we have profiles also, where you can see the profiles of your clients. And then we have settings, where you can set up your domains, Google Workspace, and you can change the site's availability from private to public. You can change also the site languages, and you can also set your store payments by clicking on store payments. You can add your Stripe account, PayPal account, and your Square account if you are from the United States only. So let's go back. Also, I forgot you can change. So you can also change the currency of your online store by scrolling down. Here you can set your store currency. You can change it from there. So then let's proceed to the next step, which is editing our website. You just click on edit and you will see the website in full width, where you can adjust your design, and they will give you more space by expanding the page to have more control in designing your template. So here in your top right you will see the desktop view and the mobile phone view. If you want to change to the mobile phone view and adjust that, here you have your sections. If you want to add a section, or if you want to delete the section from here, remove, or if you want to duplicate the section or move it down. Also, if you want to add blocks, and here you will have your site styles. If you want to change the fonts, colors, or your buttons shape, or the animation spacing, so you can change all of that in here. So let's close that for now. And here we have the site's header, so we can edit the site's header. If you have a logo, you can just click on site title and logo, and you can upload your logo right in here. You can upload the logo for general, and also you can upload the logo, the mobile logo image. So there is a difference between them in their width and their capacities. And here you can change to the desktop view and mobile view also. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to make things easier for you and show you how you can create your online store using Squarespace's templates. So if you find this if you find this video useful, leave us a thumbs up or give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.